Hello friends, how are you doing? Hope so all of you are doing well. And in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Vivo Y21 Wi-Fi not working or Wi-Fi connection problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to press the bell icon if you're first time on this channel. So to fix Vivo Y21 Wi-Fi not working or Wi-Fi connection problem in Vivo Y21, simply first of all you just need to go to settings. So first of all just tap on settings icon and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Also, this will fix your problem.